Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch. And if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And right now the markets in Bitcoin are pumping still. Even with a down day today, the S&P, Bitcoin still managed to eke out a very nice gain as it pushes to another high here at 45,750. And congratulations to the members inside the Discord. I believe we just have a new Telegram request here. There we go. Yeah, some people are asking to join the Telegram group because we had some very nice gains today. We actually bagged a 100% gain on CFX today inside the Discord and a 59% gain on Solana. So if you guys caught those trades, congratulations. We entered those last night before the pump happened. So we're starting off the year with a very nice bang indeed. I'm going to be doing the profit loss recap for December and the entire year tomorrow, so make sure to tune in for that. Now let's move on here. We'll take a look. Just give me 1 second here. We'll take a look at market cipher. Got to get back onto Bitcoin. I was taking a look at the S&P, but right now Bitcoin is eking out another gain, a very nice green dot on the daily time frame, and then boom, another shoot up here into a potential extended fifth wave. So what the market is trying to show us is that this could potentially be a fifth wave, but I don't think that we've had our fifth wave, or sorry, our fourth wave even yet, right? I would still like to see a fourth wave come down to around 38,000 to as max low as like potentially 34 to 35, but this doesn't have to happen technically. Maybe we've put in the 4 here and we're already in the fifth because the market is so bullish on the CTF news, which is a possibility, right? Which would mean that this is already the beginning of a wave 1, and then you're about to finish up and you're going to come back down into 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But when you look at these divergences, to me this looks like it wants to pull back just a little bit, more before it goes higher, but it can go a little bit higher because if you took a look at this RSI, right, we could technically push a little bit more, which means the price could go a little bit higher before we actually get a bigger significant pullback down to 38,000, 39,000, around that area. That's my primary level that I'm looking at. If we do go lower, I have a bigger level, a secondary level that we will be buying at once we get there. But overall, nothing to complain about. Bitcoin is very bullish. Markets are very happy. Everyone seems to be very joyful on this beginning day of this beginning year of Bitcoin trading. Everything's going very well so far. Let's take a look at wave edge. The wave edge indicator is actually showing no weak signals right now on Bitcoin. If anything, it's bullish because the MACD is about to cross on the daily. Looking at the 4-hour, we have a little bit of a red cross here, but nothing too concerning. You are getting some selling on the 1 hour, but you already flipped back up with a green cross here. Taking a look at the daily, we already checked that, nothing there. And the weekly, so here's my spiel, right? Right now the weekly is showing a red cross here, and we've seen these red crosses on the weekly play out very nicely, just how the green crosses on the weekly play out very nicely as well. Right, I wouldn't look at these ones because this is during your parabolic move in the Bitcoin price. You can take a look at it after it's had its run up, right? But some people are still looking for 100K right away, 90K. Although the probabilities of that happening right now are probably really small, but it's it's never non-existent, right? It's probably like 0.01% that could happen, but right now you're getting a red cross, you're overextended in the markets. S&P is also very extended. You're already starting to roll over just a little bit in the S&P, which means maybe Bitcoin's getting ready to roll over as well. And a lot of people are all on the same side of one trade, which is long Bitcoin because of the ETF news. And yeah, I do believe we're going to get a very big pop on that news, but after that, we're most likely going to roll over pretty significantly. You're already starting to see some alts topping out just a little bit. you take a look at Solana used to be at like 125. Now it came back down today just a little bit after it pumped back up to 116, but it failed to hold those gains and it started to roll over. Right now, are we going to see some other alts start to roll over? We take a look at ICP. ICP is starting to pump once again. Yeah, but this one could probably pump just a little bit more. The thing is still really beaten down considered where it used to be. I think it came out like 2,000 a coin or 300 a coin or something like that, and it went all the way down to like $3, $2. So this thing could still probably still has a little bit of gas left in the tank, so I wouldn't discount it just yet. Anyways, let's move on here and we'll take a look at not Bitcoin, but I want to cover the dollar, because if the dollar starts to uptick here, I would expect that the Bitcoin would start to come back down just a little bit, given the nature of everything running up so much so fast. But again, we'll see. We'll take it day by day. If you guys want to get access to these to my trades, feel free to join with the link in the description. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys next one. Peace.